Hello everyone, Happy New Year for 2026. And this new year, I wish all of you to be good health, love, peace, and endless possibilities. Bring you closer to your dreams with new day and successful on your special journey. I pray that 2026 will become the best year of your life. May all of your wishes true. Thank you, Tashi Dele. Tashi Dele language meaning Tashi meaning auspicious, De meaning happiness, and Leg meaning well-being. Auspicious happiness, well-being 2026. Thank you, everyone.